And we're back to learning CapCut in here, day 122. Let me show you how you can fade audio. I've got a simple audio clip right here. Put it in timeline using the plus sign, and then you can directly find the basic fade in and fade out option right there. Just use the sliders. They go from 0 to 10 seconds. For the end, this audio clip actually has an inbuilt fade, but it's not really for the end of the song. So if I split it right here, we have created two elements. I select the left one, and if I fade it now, you can see this fades just the end of the element. So if you need a fade, you can just manually create it like this. This also works on videos that have audio inbuilt, but you have to do one thing a little bit differently. Let me import the tutorial clip. So right here, that's the last tutorial that I've done about CapCut. We have a video clip and inbuilt audio. And if you want to fade it, you now have to go to audio first on the top right, and then you will find the basic right there. So audio and basic look a little bit different, but then the fade in and fade out are exactly the same. You can use it from 0 to 10 seconds. And this is how I can fade audio in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.